Is this right? Today we're going to Oklahoma, making onion burgers. I feel like that wasn't good. We're going to slice our onions on a mandolin because we basically want them to cook instantly. And if you don't have a mandolin, basically just try to get it as thin as possible. Starting off by making our burgers, so basically you want to aim for like 2 to 3 ounces, like a golf ball size. This is going to get smashed down in a really thin patty, and we're doing 2 per burger. So we're basically making a smash burger. So we're going to put the patty down, smash it with a spatula. I messed up. Basically making a smash burger, so our ball of meat's gonna go there. Hit it with a bunch of onion, and smash it. Hit it with some salt. We'll let that cook for a little bit. Once it's been going for about 15-30 seconds, gonna get our buns on. After about 2 minutes, we're going to flip our patties. And hit them with some cheese. Yellow American only. And cover it so it steams and melts easier. When do they start to walk? These burgers don't need much, just a little bit of mayo and it should be all good. And there's your onion burger.
It ain't messy, you did it wrong.